Well, we had an incident in the stands prior to the game, and this was a very difficult scene for a lot of fans to see. Two members of the Mississippi State basketball team playing in this tournament, Renardo Sidney and Elgin Bailey, two teammates getting into it in the stands. They had to be separated. Punches were thrown.
And remember, this is a day removed from Renardo Sidney being suspended from the team, missing a game after a similar incident at practice. And so they arrived here from the Bahamas. Renardo Sidney had played his first game of his college career, suspended his entire freshman year, suspended the first 9 games of his sophomore season, plays one game, has an incident in practice, suspended for a game, plays very well today in a Mississippi State win, a big win over San Diego, and then gets into a fight with a teammate, a fellow power forward, Elgin Bailey, in the stands at the Stan Sheriff Center.